Welcome to the demonstration of the Anupath Nano. During this demonstration, we will guide you through the simple steps involved in utilizing this device. To perform the test, you'll require the following components: the Anupath meter, Anupath test strips, a lancing pen, lenses, and an alcohol swab. Anupath meter has multitasking user button, the OLED display. An insertion port allows you for precise insertion of testing strips. Prepare the lancing device before testing. A lancing device has a sliding barrel, trigger button, depth indicator, and adjustable cap. Hold the lancing device around the depth indicator and turn the barrel anticlockwise to remove the device cap. Insert a new lancet into the device, twist it off, and pull out the safety cap of the lancet. Put the device cap back on. Pull the barrel back to load the device. You may hear a click to indicate the lacing device is now loaded. Hold the lancing device around the depth indicator and turn the adjustable cap to suitable depth. To perform the test, take the Anupath blood glucose test strip and insert it into the meter. Clean your finger with an alcohol swab. Place the lancing device firmly against the sample site and press the trigger button to puncture the skin. Take the blood sample close to the capillary. Once the drop is detected, remove the finger from the strip. After the processing, the result will be displayed on the screen. Remove the test strip and dispose of it in medical disposable trash. To see the previous result, press and hold the button for 3 seconds. A mode selection screen appears on display. Here M stands for memory, which is used to view the last 25 test results. H stands for hour, which is used to set the current date and time. Select the option M and press and hold the button for 3 seconds. By momentarily pressing the switch, you can cycle through the last 25 results.